In this video, we'll cover how to update firmware for the LanPoE web relay. First, in a web browser, go to firmware.powerofpoe.com. Here you can find the current version and the latest OTA URL. Copy the latest OTA URL. Next, navigate back to the web relay web interface and log in using the credentials, which are both admin. Then select the User/Upgrade/Factory tab. Here, select Firmware Upgrade and paste the latest OTA URL. Then select Start Upgrade. The device will now reboot itself and perform the update. Do not refresh the page, shut down your computer, or unplug the device during update. The update is completed when you see a notification saying the session has expired. For more information, please contact us.